Miss Universe Mizoram sang ni somni paruk grand finale chu April ni somni pakhat thole ni zan khan Sajai Kon multi-purpose hall Luangliam nei ani a show boruak atangin mitpo atlai hle tin English veka question and answer round an handi te kha a challenging ema an kalzel na turata na thil poimo atakani bok ole tuna chuan tunge Miss Universe Mizoram chunita ti she turin grand finale zan Thlirlet hauna I han nei te ang online red item da ya mobile phone brand chaber ber lei du tan H&H variety store bazar bungkon viva kon panthang na kongton ti te ya an om ti kalo shi rule lokang cheo tunla hian Samsung S24 25 le 26 Ultra 512GB te mantom zo ka lei theinan kol meka dorte a thiltom takin an zuar kanti fo te kha anni iPhone le tablet accessories pay so an zuar tlom falnal tin iPhone silpek baka used belchian ngam po an lakol tel cheu bok lo ngai ven ve chin te o zofia du nei tan an phone number po kan da langi o program channel ni chuan contestant zong te chu stage a zo Barbie mel cha ti hlamang nge yin an ron lam ta siaw mai Mizo chuan introduction nei chun zomani
Shristi la rod mo itinza muan veng aizon Nancy la dit pui rasvek lungle la rin thani sia ha lal muan kimi durtlang leitan aizon lal huzwali zarhlum Rachel lal ram chan moi ai ngon veng ai zon van lal himpui bungkon veng thar ai zon Pelina lal radiki tang nuam veng thar ai zon sila nun sami rolelo rodal chuang kimi republic veng kang ai zon Michelle Arwad boy 5 kon Aizon
video masalama kan soi to angin finalist te himi som pani anni kan ti to kha ti chuan welcome speech soi tura puzorin sang amar lunglei municipal councillor kau chwa ani nuwa Miss Universe India Manika le Miss Universe Mizoram selection committee te felicitation hlanna neyani
Thank you, Miss Manika.
Suminu chuan contestant te biang biak na toy nei ani a.
Hi, Shristi.
Hello sir, hello everyone.
So how are you feeling tonight?
The atmosphere is really heated in tonight's performance. I feel very excited.
All right, I have one question for you. What is something about you that doesn't show at first glance?
Well, at first glance, I might seem like a quiet person and look a bit fierce too. But once you get to know me, once I'm getting comfortable, I talk a lot, so this will be the warning for you that if you're gonna be my friend, mind your ears. So once I'm comfortable with someone, I can't stop talking. So I want to share this to you all, that it was not important as others. So, but I still want to share to you all. So thank you.
Thank you, Nancy. Hello, Nancy.
I'm not Nancy.
Oh, sorry. Hello. Let us do that one more time. Hello, Larintani.
Hello, sir.
So, I think I'm more nervous than you. So, are you feeling nervous or excited?
I'm very excited, and this feels like a dream with a really good lightning.
Okay. How do you feel tonight?
My nervous system is working so well right now, but also I feel so excited.
Okay, nerves are good. Hi, Luzwali.
Hi, Salampur.
What do you do when no one is noticing?
Well, I love dancing when I'm alone. I don't need stage to dance. Just give me music and empty room. I will be main character. Thank you.
Hello, Angela.
Hello. I hope to show that women can be both warrior and a queen. Thank you.
Thank you, Angela. Sublime answers. Hi, Rachel.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm feeling great.
Oh my God, I'm not ready for this question, but yes, I'm the shortest contestant among the finalists. Yet I stand tall at this stage because I have measured my height with no feet or inches, but with faith and purpose. Thank you all.
Thank you, Valentin Pui.
So there's a Bible verse that comes in my mind when that happens. Do not be afraid, for I am your God, will always be with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Felina Lalruadiki. You're the first ever beauty queen from Rualalung. Is that right?
Yeah, it's right.
So after this competition, what will you do?
Oh, that's an interesting question. So I want to be a mother someday. So if I have a daughter, she can look at my journey into this industry. So she can say, my mom did it, so I can too. Thank you.
Thank you, Silan and Zami.
Oh no, my confidence does not intimidate anyone. In fact, I've noticed that everyone around me feel more empowered and more confident. Thank you.
Thank you. Ruth Laltuangkimi. Hello, Michelle.
Hello, sir.
Are you nervous?
Well, a little bit nervous, but I'm fantastic tonight.
Nice.
Active way round mga in na in aron chunjom zui. Active way round na hian contestant te chu an serial number in do ta kau chwa an nia. He round big hi chu uluk takin lo enve phot mai ula. Ngai dan ka siam thiam chia lo. In ngai dan te comments lama min lo share ve thong don nia. Contestant number 1, Srishti Lalruat Moi Chinza ron chuakin. Ani hi varsity atanga ron represent ania. MZU Miss Varsity sangni somni paruk thanna nei zo ta ka first runner up ani. Contestant number 2, Nancy Laldin Puyi Lungleyin Rondotin. Contestant number 3, Larin Chani Siaha in Aron Zuile Bawk. Contestant number 4, Lalmon Kimidur Tlang Leitan. Contestant number 5, Lallu Zuali Jinza Cherlun. Contestant number 6, Angela Vanal Shua Yi Champai. Contestant number 7, Rachel Laram Chan Mo Ye Ainon Veng Aizol. Contestant number 8, Manal Limpuyi Bungkon Veng Thar Aizol. Contestant number 9, Felina Lal Ruadiki Tlang Non Veng Thar Aizol. Contestant number 10, Silal Nunzame Rualalung. Contestant number 11, Ruth Laltluang Kimi Republic Veng Thang Aizol. Contestant number 12, Michelle Lalruat Moyi Vaivakon Aizol. Ani hi Miss Varsity achanga represent thawni in MZU Miss Varsity sangni somni paruk top 10 zingani ani. Tichuan Esther namte ron performing azai kara contestant te chu anron inlan bok. Miss Universe India sangni somni panga Manika Vishwakarma chu mizo thuam nal tak nen aron inlana komna hun toy te neyani.
India.
Hi, Monica.
Tin Miss Universe Mizoram Masaber, Melissa raw na ipui po kaut swani in komna toy neyani bok. Chumizo chuan evening gown round in Elna nei Anita. Contestant te po an serial number in dot danin anon chuak le ta del del maile.
Chuan chul vanga India
phong nghe yang tia nghe nín
Thlirlet ruat moi chin za aron nal chuak hle a soitak angkhan ani university atang aron represent kha ani apian na mai ba ka anui mel dom tak te chuan mi a hi ngoi ngoi Sristi hian Miss Versity le tun Miss Universe Mizoram thlanna a atil ba khi kajen chi lama zul soi tur ala nei lova chuti chung chuan aron che thahle ti amu thayani Nancy Laldin pui lung lei po gown sen nen aron chelo chuak hle mai ain the zai hle a Nancy hi mel chakati in ama top hi kadu chi kati mai anu na pa kumsom ni pakhat mi zak zum takani ti kan video masalama po kan soi to kha ton sia than nga deu ni se sang tak theng thei tur chi ni inalang Larin chani sia ha ron inlan le in ani hian experience nga takani ti aron tilang chiang hle a Government Johnson College Miss Loni to le Mega Miss Notice Top 12 hial Loni to ani boka aron konfi hle agaw nero a simple ma mo ati thaya ma se ama hian amoi pui viau thau lalmon kimi dur tlang leitan hian gown shing ron in belin aron in me hle a ani hi experience ala nei tam tok launi ina ngai thei ain thashung ma deu ni ina langani Lalu zuali jinza cherlun hian akur fwal nunglam mermaid design chei gown ron ha in mit atlai hle a ama shim hi aza om khup kan ti tur ang chi kha ani Avengo School azirti to na thok me kani poka za om ti chong kam man po ain me via we Angela Valal Shwai Champai hian gown var aron hatchuak ve thunga ani hi sports lama po duai lau tak medal engi muzat lo la to ni in ankom na lama khan meichia te hi warrior le queen kan ni kop thayani ti lantir ka tum tlat ti in asoi boka stage a chuan thune iber tum ni om shimin aron konfi rem hle Rachel ram chan mo hi ai non veng ai zol aron na hle maya agaun hi avahan kul tak amoi kati ngoi chi ama po hian a in me in ain the thil zai vel bok nen ama atop hi mu nom kumsom pakomi pajanchi lama mi thara ani boka malam hun eng taka nei ti alang chiang hle Wala limpui bung kon veng thar aizol hi contestant zinga niam berni masela khengsang berni tum ani boka aron kon fi hle agaw ni ro afwal ma nge ni akepen ati boy lek ni inasiat kumin syang bana college lady thanna khan wala limpui hi first runner apani Felina le ruat diki tlang nuam veng thar aizol hi be sei phak bakin aron che cha a analina konfi em ti asiat tin agaun hak le america phi afu utopa amu nom tak zetani sila nunza mi ruala lung hi ruala lunga changa pajanchi ron lu chil masaber ani boka an khoti ming chatura thei to bron cho in a thlen china po amason na motor atam hle ani Rutlal tuang kimi Republic veng thang aizol hi apiana nalin agaun hak po amoy ngang mai National Institute of Fashion Technology NIFT Chennai zirme kani boka aron nal viau chin po hi a om le ani Michelle ruat moi vai vakon aizol ani hi soitak angkhan Miss Varsity top 10 zingami ani a aran moi khop mai an vai mai hian du than tur ber shat thiam har khopin he evening gown raw na hi chuan an che thalom em tu berin nge Miss Universe Mizoram crown hi khumanga Mizoram tan represent ang ti po ngai dan siam thiam ala harri le Tichuan talent round lama top 3 te show thir ho na nei ania contestant number 4 lalmon kimidur tlang leitan lemzia thir hawani ama nge chuana lemzia ron soifia na hun anei bawk contestant number 11 Ruth laltluang kimi republic veng thang talent thir ho na nei ani vele a contestant number 8 walal limpuhi bungkon veng thar talent zai ngaithlak ani bawk Tichuan Miss Universe Mizoram sang ni somni panga Evelyn zaching pui kau chhuani in biang biak na toy nei le ani
Miss Universe Mizoram 2025 Evelyn zaching pui. So how are you feeling tonight?
Chuta contestant te chuan vaya kau chhuani in subtitle award semna neyani a Miss Congeniality subtitle dong to chu Ruth laltluang kimi ani a Miss Personality subtitle award dong to walal limpui bung ko nani Miss Ramwalk subtitle award hi sila nunzami ruala lungin alabok Best in Speech subtitle award chu Sristila ruat moi chin za ne na hlan ani le a Best in Interview subtitle award la tu hi Felina la ruat diki tlang nuam veng thar ni in Best in Talent subtitle award dong tu hi walal limpui bung kon veng tharani Miss Photogenic subtitle award la tu contestant number 5 lallu zwali chinza ani a Miss Popular subtitle award hi contestant number 3 larin chani ni in ani hian direct in top 6 alut ngalti na ani bok tichuan top 6 result puan ngalani a top 6 sa hian direct ka top 6 alut larin chani ba ka Contestant number 11 Ruth laltluang kimi Contestant number 8 walal limpuyi Contestant number 6 Angela walal shwayi Contestant number 12 Michelle ruat moi le Contestant number 1 Sristi la ruat moi chin za te anlangani tichuan top 6 te chuan question and answer round mga in el na nehin zo na in anglo vek zo anni
What do you think is the biggest problem faced by today's youth?
Thank you so much for the question. I think
zona de hi English vek ni in English chan ani boka aharvia wangti arin thei
many young people try to be someone else instead of discovering who they truly are. And I believe that the best person you can be and the strongest person you can be is yourself. Thank you. Kalome.
Ruth laltluang kimi
Nima sila Miss Universe India sang ni somni paruk thanna na itura Mizoram tan represent tur thanna ani awangin engkim hi inbuat sai nakal kong vek ani ti shetharle ila acha ome
There is lots of waste going on from the industry. I think there should be a band and then start with sustainable fashion right away and start with design for needs from now instead of mass production. Thank you.
Thank you for your question. Tradition is my road, while modernity is my wing. So I need both to fly. And my tradition helps me to help. My tradition teach me ngaina means to help to serve before myself, while modernity.
Our youth, if we protect our youth,
That means we protect the future of our society. I think we need to give more importance to our youth. Thank you.
The Mizo woman I admired most is Luangliam. She is brave. She is not only the daughter of the Thlirlet.
For my concern, success is the stage where you feel contented and satisfactory with yourself, not only with your personal achievements, but through your growth and development, through the journey of your resilience, the tolerance, the compassion. All of those have shaped you to the stage where you can serve others, because humanity is about serving others, and my aim is to be an educator and serve others, and that's what success means to me. Thank you.
Chuminu chuan top 3 result puan ani a. Contestant number 1 Thlirlet moi jinza. Contestant number 3 Larin Chani. Contestant number 11 Luangliam te anni. Ti chuan top 3 te chuan Q&A manga in elna nei le in anzo na ero ain ang vek to thung. Anzo na hisap chong bok ni in. Imagine you have won Miss Universe India, coming from a small region. How will you inspire young girls from the same background ti ania? Mizo chong chuan Miss Universe India lo ni tala. Mun kilkhor taka changa chor chua kini angin. I chor chua na ang din muna Thlirlet te chu. Engtin nge lo tlin na chang nge turin ifuyang ti ani.
Thank you for your question. My background might be small, but I am here today because of my confidence and because I believed in myself. If I had the opportunity to win the crown, I would love to inspire the young girls and tell them that they can also do all the things and that nothing is impossible. I would love them to make a goal and look at their potential and see how they can grow and develop themselves, because knowing oneself is the top priority to serve others. I would like to promote my advocacy on education because it is an all-round development, and that's what I would do if I had the chance to win the crown. Thank you.
Go chua masak ber Thlirlet moi jinza chuan achang thiam hle maya. Atu soidan manga po akon fi hle ti asia the. Adota Larin Chani kau ni vele in ani po chuan chan na chatak ape theya. A opek chwa da ni ro azam deuh ti asia theya ni.
Thank you so much for the question. I'm already a woman who's coming from a small town with a very simple background, and I've seen so many young people, and I've seen that how their dreams are limited by self-doubt and not by ability. And if I win Miss Universe India, I'll be a standing example for them, and they will know that I'm also one of them who is coming to who is also coming to what they have been to, and I want them to know that no matter where they came from, no matter what their backgrounds are, no matter what they came from, does not limit how far they can grow, and I want them to know that they are enough. Thank you.
Luangliam kau chwa vele ni in ani chan na ero a khailak le zeu chin.
Thank you for the question. Good evening, everyone. I would like to state that my background is not that fancy, even though I am from a design college which is of big and it's national also. However, my mother is providing me a loan and I am really grateful for that. So I have to be making my mom proud. So even if you are there, like my background, you can also do the same. And even if you Thank you. Even if you are not in the state of going alone yourself, please know that I have been there. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it too. Thank you.
Judge nilaw maila alandan chuan Sri Thlirlet moi chin za hian a chang chaber ni in alo ngai ve theiani. Chumi hnu chuan tai te zai ngaithlak ani a zai lai hian Miss Universe Mizoram top 3 te adan in lan bawk.
Kathai chang mai te la limten mangai na par.
Chuda contestant zong te churon chuak vekin Miss Universe Mizoram sang ni somni panga Evelyn zaching pui chuan final walk aran naya ui tak chungin a crown chu Miss Universe Mizoram sang ni somni paruktan a hlan alo ngai ta ani this one result puan le crown hlan na nei ani don ta online red item da ya mobile phone brand chaber ber lei du tan H&H variety store bazar bungkon vai vakon pan thang na kong ton ti te a an om ti kalo shi rule lokang cheo tunla hian Samsung S24 25 le 26 Ultra 512GB te mantom zo ka lei theinan kol me ka dorte a thiltom takin an zuar kan ti fo te kha an ni iPhone le tablet accessories pay so an zuar tlom fal na tin iPhone silpek ba ka used belt chian ngam po an la kol tel cheu bok lo ngai ven ve chin te o Zofia du nei tan an phone number po kan da langi o Miss Universe India sang ni somni panga Manika Vishwakarma ko chho ania second runner up puanani
Contestant number 11 Ruth Laltuangkimi Republic Vengkhang Aizol.
Contestant number 11 Ruth Laltuangkimi chu second runner up ania
Contestant number 3, Lauren Chanisiaha. And your first runners-up is Sri Thlirlet moi chinza.
First runner-up Sri Thlirlet moi chinza ni in Miss Universe Mizoram sang ni somni parukatan. Contestant number 3 Lauren Chanithan Anita ani. Larin chani hian Miss Universe India sang ni somni paruk than na lo om tura Mizoram ai a o don ti na ani Ole dikhan Miss Universe Mizoram sang ni somni paruk chu kan lo cheta a kan lo rin le be sei ani MT te comments lama soi hole ila tin result shim hi grand finale zana kan lo mu ve thei chin ngota tanga siam ani lo ti sha ila contestant zong te hian April ni som pathum khan lunglei thleng vekin atu ka changin in elna shang photo session te speech tele activities shang mang te in elna hi an local puito tin chung competition le an activities rang te chu docu series anga siam mek ni in mi puite en thei tura ti chwa tu mani bawk mi chen khat ngai dan le kan mu mai thei china chuan grand finale zan hian Sristi lalruat moi chin za hi ache tha hle ti alang theya chuti rualin chik takalo en tu tan chuan uak chung changa te lalrin chani ne na khai khinin experience nei jok chu ashiat le ti alang thei bok mi puinol puiten kan lo thlir ve na ber pakhat ni chin kan soi fo chen chu an sap chong man chua ani fawa heta hian lalrin chani hian be se a phalo deuh ti chu kan che thau ome nima sela Miss Universe India thlanna tur tan hun te ala tamboka rin chani po a injir chau zelanga kan be se a hin aron che tha chau tura be se pot mei ti ang chuti rualin Miss Varsity achanga Miss Universe Mizoram aron inlan Sristi hian experience nei tam lo hle ma se a theina sanzia aron pholang chiang hle a eng pageantry competition a emo mu le thwai kan be se hle ani ole khati zong khatu na tan chuan ni le phot se next video a kanin mule theu ton nia